Hello, good evening, friends. I am Dr. Shishir Agrawal, and today I'm going to talk about something really interesting, and that is grandparents is the greatest gift we could ever give them. So it is about the grandparents. It's the greatest gift which we can give to our children. It's the greatest gift. I'll tell you about this. Raising our kids near their grandparents is one of the greatest gift we could ever give to them. Truly, it is. Science says, and science agrees to it, but we don't need yet another study to prove what we already know. Grandparents are treasures unlike anyone else in our lives. So, while we are certainly glance at what science has to say, let's really dig into our hearts and our childhood to find out why grandparents are so good for our own kids. Raising our kids near their grandparents is the greatest gift of all. According to the studies, raising our kids near their grandparents can be incredibly beneficial to our children's health, teach them to respect the elderly, and even help us parents get a better night's sleep. However, none of those things are what make it the greatest gift of all. So what does? I'll tell you what does. Grandparents are a safe harbor. They are the best harbor. As parents, it's our job to teach our kids to how to mold them, to make sure they know right from wrong. What is right and what is wrong, we have to make sure our children knows that, and grandparents are the best guy to tell them what is right and what is wrong. When they don't quite meet our expectations, it's our job to correct them. Sometimes that can make us pretty unpopular with our kids. Sometimes it can even make them incredibly angry with us, especially if they are particularly strong willed kids. While grandparents definitely want our kids to behave and hopefully respect us when we have to correct them, they are not on the giving end of the discipline. So our kids can go to them whenever they are mad at us and work through those feelings. Think of our groundings as the storm and grandparents as a safe harbor from it. By letting our kids run over grandma's house for an afternoon, it gives anyone a chance to calm down and find the wonderful perspective. They know what to say to make our kids feel better. Our grandparents exactly know what is to be said to our children to make them feel better. As much as we try to build our kids up with compliments and praise to them, we are not the most reliable source of information. It's hard to count on how many times we hear, "You have to say that because you are my mom." Like just because we gave them life means we are completely incapable of being impartial. The funny thing is, even grandparents are pretty biased. So even grandparents are pretty biased. If they have many grandchildren, they love someone more, someone less. That's the funny thing about it. Especially will be yet your kids believe it when they say everything will be fine or you will be perfect, and you are just perfect the way you are. So whatever the grandparents say in their soothing voice to the grandchildren, they believe that they trust grandparents more than the parents. Maybe it's all those years of wisdom. Perhaps it's because they have mastered the art of parenting when we were very little. Maybe it's just because that they have such a soothing voice. Whatever the reason, it seems like grandparents know exactly what to say to make our children feel better about themselves and how to say it so they believe it. So they know the art of convincing the children because they are the master of parenting. So it is always best to have grandparents nearby your children, nearby your kids. Grandparents can stand in for a parent who isn't present. This is something really, really interesting. For a single parent, either by choice or by circumstances, grandparents fill a unique role in the children's life. A grandfather, for example, becomes a wonderful male role model for a child who is growing up without a father. While he is not a replacement for the dad, he definitely helps erase the pain of missing an entire half of parenting equation. The same goes with a grandmother filling in for a missing mom in the single mom. in the single father. Now grandparents act as confidants and sounding boards. As much as we love our kids to come to us and tell us everything, sometimes they just don't feel ready to share a secret. Maybe they are afraid while we are mad on them, or won't understand that they should be telling it to the parents. Perhaps they haven't quite worked out how they want to tell us. But grandparents make the best confidence and sounding board for those times. They listen without judgment and offer great advice. If that advice is tell your mother, they give our kids the courage and the backup to do so. It's reassuring to know that our kids can go to a trusted adult with a tough serve. It's even more reassuring to know that if that tough serve involves something dangerous, our parents will loop us in. So they know that if there is something serious, then grandparents will definitely tell to the parents in their own way. But they provide a very secure note to the children to be very bold, brave, and very honest to the parents and grandparents. Now, grandparents help kids to connect with the past in a more meaningful way. Raising our kids near their grandparents give them such an awesome opportunity to connect with the past in a way that no history lesson ever could. Even if you happen to have a history loving kid who enjoys reading about, say, the Great Depression, it's no substitute for hearing a first-hand account from someone who was actually there, which was the grandparents of the kids. They were there when we were small children. By learning about the very real impact, good or bad, the past events had on people we love, our children can make more informed decisions when it's their turn to run the world. Every generation wants that one to come first after them to do better. The only way it's possible is by learning from the generation that come before. So it is very good that the grandparents share a lot of stories about our childhood to our children, and that makes them even a stronger and a better person. What if raising our kids near their grandparents isn't possible? This is a very common thing that a lot of people have migrated and they are working or studying somewhere else. They are doing something and they are not with their parents. So kids are not with the grandparents. So sadly, sometimes it's not possible to live close to our parents. Maybe you and your partner are from different places and you can only live near at one set. Perhaps your work takes you to the other side of the world. Don't worry, your kids can still experience the benefit of being close to the grandparents without being physically near to them all the time. You will just have to work a little harder to make it happen. It is possible. One great way to help cement their bond is thoroughly weekly video calls. Thanks to the technology, that's even easier than ever. During those chats, kids can show off their latest art project, share some major or even minor milestones, or just talk about nothing and everything. They can share a lot of things on the video calls, and make sure you talk to to your children's grandparents very often. Do video calls, video calling very regularly, and on weekends you must do it, and so that they can have a better connection and compatibility with the grandchildren. If possible, try to plan trips to visit your family very often. Even if it is every few years, just do it. It gives your parents a chance to see their grandchildren in person. While you are there, make it all about grandparents, grandchild at the time. In other words, don't plan a bunch of outings with your kids. Instead, plan a few of your to do alone with your partner. That way, kids can have some one-on-one time with their grandparents. So it is very important, instead of planning a lot of vacations, going here and there, combine all those small vacations to one big vacation and spend time with the grandparents of your child. It is very important for the children to spend a lot of time with their grandparents. Though the rest of the year, make a point to talk about your parents. Tell your kids stories, show them pictures, help them write letters to grandma and grandpa. Maybe even keep a special memory book filled with things of your childhood and you want to ask, and tell their grandparents next time they'll see them. As long as you take the time to really help your children connect with your parents, their bond will be just as strong whether they live across the street or across the world. Of course, if you have the opportunity, you should definitely raise your kids near to the grandparents. Trust me, none of you will regret it. So it is very important that you spend a lot of time with you allow your children to spend a lot of time with their grandchildren. I live with my parents and my kids are spending a lot of time with their grandchildren. Excuse me. What a grandparent can teach to your child, we cannot. A parent cannot give those things what a grandparents can give to their grandchildren. They give wisdom, they give knowledge, they give experience, they give a lot of experiences, they share a lot of childhood experiences of us, a lot of small mistakes of us which we used to make when we were a small child, but they keep guiding to our children not to make those mistakes while you are a small children. And they are very supportive, they are very understanding. It is the best thing to have your children spend a lot of time with their grandchildren. And I especially wanted to make this video so that a lot of people can understand that grandparents miss their grandchildren most. They don't miss their children most, they miss their grandchildren most. So please, if at all you are watching this video, please give a call to your parents. Make sure that your children talk to their grandparents on video call, and guide your children to write letters and make some posters or cards and send it to the grandparents. They will feel really happy about it. Please do it today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you can share it. Thank you. Bye.